Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today is Halloween, 31st of October, And because of Halloween, I was thinking, why can't I just make a pumpkin? And I just don't want to make any pumpkin. I just want to make a pumpkin with slime. I want to make a pumpkin with slime from Halloween. So I'm gonna share that with you. We're gonna do that together, guys. So hopefully you're gonna like this video. And don't forget, if you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel and share this video, guys. So it's a bit different. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you again to all my returning subscribers to keep watching this video. Okay, let's start. So I think before I start everything, so what I want to do is like try to draw a bit like the kind of eyes I want. So I don't know why. Okay, the face. This pumpkin look a bit. It's a kind of tiny pumpkin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to draw the face. I don't know what kind of eyes I want. What about the eight shape? Eight shape. Then the nose. And then this is the mouth. Kind of scary, so alright. I'm gonna give a bit of nose. What should I do the nose? So this is the drawing. I will be cutting there that way and see. So the nose, maybe I should put a triangle for the nose. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, maybe I should put a triangle. The eyes look a bit not proportional, so I'm gonna increase a bit the 8 that way. Alright, so I got something like that now. I'm gonna take my knife and try to shape up. Okay. I'm gonna try to shape up. It's not easy. I don't know about Halloween. It's like, when I was a kid, this didn't do anything. I didn't care about Halloween. My daughter loved Halloween, so one of the eyes is done. See, guys? One of the eyes just done now. Excellent. Alright. Excellent. That's one of the eyes. Amazing, right? Okay. Okay. This is the nose. And I was thinking, yeah, do that kind of nose. So let me do the next eyes. I don't know why I wanted to do it like eyes. I just wanted to do something a bit different. So yes, I went for the 8. You have to be careful with the knife, guys. It's kind of sharp. So let's see this. Alright. The ice is almost done. I can see that now. Can you see that, guys? What does it look like? You have to bear in mind I haven't cut anything yet. Okay. So let's do a bit of mouth. The mouth is kind of weird. Weird shape. Let's do the mouth. Hope it's gonna look great and scary, I mean. Pumpkin doesn't have to look great, it has to look scary if I'm right. So yeah, so let's just do a scary pumpkin, guys. A scary slamming pumpkin. Scary. Oh, come on. I didn't ring that because I think I want to be too deep. Oh, fuck me, man. Okay, let's see this. Why it's not breaking? Oh, that's it. I need to cut that edge as well. That's it. Brilliant. This is amazing. Look at the mouth shaping up. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm loving this. Guys. Look at this. Hopefully my pumpkin will be scary. Unusual mouth, unusual. So this is a, you put it there. Okay. So I'm gonna cut the top bit just to release all the pumpkin inside. So wish me luck. I need to do a small circle to the top. I just don't want to hurt myself with a knife. Okay. This is the top. I might use this one for the hair. Who knows? Slimy, ugly, scary pumpkin. All at the same time. So I'm going to use my hand. Look, I'm going in. Oh yes, baby, I'm going in. I'm going straight in. No lie. I'm straight in. Come on. I'm going straight in. So okay, the eyes look better to me now. So what I'm going to do now is very simple. I'm going to put some fake blood on it. I want my pumpkin to look with that fake blood. So I got fake blood here. So fake blood. My pumpkin have fake blood. Yeah. This is like horrible pumpkin. Pumpkin will be like killing maybe lots of the pumpkin, you know, so yeah, fake blood. Maybe I could have just used like, could have just used this thing. So I'm gonna put some slime. Alright, so let's do some slimy. As I said, this is like supposed to be a slimy pumpkin. Okay, full of slime and it's full of slime. I just can open this. So let me try a different one. Now, slime on you. Ha! Look at that. Ha! You're nasty pumpkin, right? Slimy pumpkin, right? Look at you. Now, you can be smiling no more because you're full of slime. No, you have been a bad pumpkin. Hurting other pumpkin. Look at your mouth, full of blood. Bad, bad, bad pumpkin. Bad, bad, bad pumpkin. Halloween, they say Halloween, usually the devil are always out there in Halloween, acting like they are trick or treat. But you can know if they are devil because everyone is wearing a mask. It's the perfect time for devil or vampire to go out without mask. That's what I think, you know. Halloween is just a time for them to go out without a mask. I mean, without being scared, because normal people are wearing masks, so they're just blending. Oh, look at this. This looks so amazing, guys. Pumpkin full. Oh no, this is beautiful. This is like the best Halloween pumpkin you will see out there. Full of slime. Yes. Don't tell me you don't like it. Because if you don't like it, that means you don't like slime, right? This is the best pumpkin you're gonna have. Halloween slamming pumpkin. Halloween slamming pumpkin. Guys, don't tell me you don't like this. Halloween slamming pumpkin. Ah. This is just amazing. Look at that. It's just amazing. It's ridiculously amazing. Oh. First of all, it's slamming, but then slamming and the pumpkin together. This is crazy. This is just great. Slime and the pumpkin together. Guys, tell me, what do you think? You won't tell me this is not the best pumpkin ever. A slamming pumpkin. Guys, a slamming pumpkin. This is brilliant. This is beautiful. Okay? Plus the blood, everything on it. It's just making it look great. And the pumpkin have glitter all over the place. This is just fantastic. Viva the pumpkin. Viva Halloween, 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 Halloween. I love Halloween because I can make some funny pumpkin, guys. You know. Thank you again for watching this video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.